winter is here. I don't know, yeah, we are, I thought we were just getting a little sprinkle. We got a full-on snowstorm here in Chicago, 24 degrees, just wonderful. All right, I guess first things first, we're trading off just a bit, but realize that it is Veterans Day, banks are closed, bond market is closed. This is going to be very, very similar to what Columbus Day was. I hope that I'm wrong. I don't think that I'm going to be, though. So, a good half of the market is not participating today. So, let's see, though. Nice thing is that we don't have a bunch of positions to hold us down. So, if we do see some value on this pullback, we have the room in our toolbox to put some stuff in there.